Hi guys, what I want to show you today is how to trade for a living when somebody takes all of your indicators away and all of your expert advisors. So no MT4, nothing special to help you second guess where the market's going to go. What we've got here is what we call a naked chart, and this is how traders started before the advent of the proliferation of indicators, technical analysis tools and artificial intelligence. I'm going to show you how you can make money without anything other than a chart, and I'm also going to show you how to do it purely by using random decisions to get you in and out of the market. Okay, now I trade 26 different currency pairs, and there's my watch list here. Okay, they're all there, and I'm going to go to random.org and I'm going to ask random.org to choose a number between 1 and 26, and that is the currency pair that I'm going to be trading. So if we go to currency pair number 3, which is the Australian dollar against the yen, I'm going to show you how to make money whether the markets rise or whether they fall. Okay, you master this and you are one completely independent trader. Now I can't trade live because it's Monday the 5th of August 24 at 2 o'clock. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take you back in time using a bar replay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to place your trades and how to close them. And I'm going to choose the random bar option, so I've got no idea where TradingView is actually going to start me trading. Okay, so if we reset, you'll see that TradingView is taken to the 14th of November 2017, and there is the chart that you can see there. You can see where the market's been. It's had a bull run, it's then come down, quite a sustained bearish run. And I'm going to go back now, and I'm not going to make the decision as to whether to go long or short in this market. What I want to do is I want random.org to tell me, one is going to be, we're going to be going long, two is we're going to be going short. Okay, so I'll hit it 3 times so you can see that it is completely random. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. So it's telling me to buy the market. Okay, right, so what we're going to do is we're going to be placing a long trade with a 1 standard lot. Let's go back and see where our support is, and our support is going to be probably, I won't do anything until I get to that sort of area there. And as far as my profit target's concerned, I will aim to bearish market, so I'll aim at this sort of area here. Okay, so let's see where we get to. Let's just let that trade play out. So it's dropped straight against random.org's decision to buy. Okay, and if we close beneath that area of support, I will add to the position. Not quite. Oh yeah, we are way beneath now. We are $1,700 down. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add to the position. I'm going to buy again. Whether it's something that I would personally have done or not is irrelevant. And I'm going to place another area of support just underneath there. Now you can see, because I've added to the position, that the profit target is about $3,000. We don't need that. Let's bring it all the way back down now, because it's not about your risk to reward. It's about taking money out of the market and closing your position when you've hit your maximum stop loss. And my maximum stop loss is going to be 5%, and I'm going to try and make 5%. So let's see where we get to with this. So we just give the markets time to do what the markets want to do. If it makes a new low and I've got sufficient margin left, then I'll add to it. If it comes back up, then we will close the trade with a profit and continue. And there's your profit. Right, so we are up $700. You could say that the bearish market might bounce back down here. Okay, now my opinion is completely irrelevant, because I'm playing a game of Russian roulette just to show you that you can make money whether you get it right or whether you get it wrong. And this time it's telling me to buy. Okay, so we're going to place another buy, and what I'll do this time is I think I'm going to move the area of support up to the recent one, and the take profit I'm going to take again to that nearest level that we've got here. So let's just see where this one plays out. Coming against me again straight away. Thank you, random.org. And let's just see where this plays out. Trying to move up. And again, although I didn't personally agree on the entry, we made another 0.7% on the account. Okay, so again, if I personally was going to give somebody some advice, I'd probably say that I would be looking to bounce back down again here. But we are playing a game of random.org, aren't we? So are we going to buy or are we going to sell? Random.org is giving me the instruction that I'm going to buy. So I'm going to leave my support area where it is. And this time we're going to take our profit target up to the most recent high at about there again. Let's see where we get to. Moving up this time, a bit easier for us. And there we go. We are now up 2.3%. And I've made no entry decisions at all. None of them. Let's go back to random.org and ask for another instruction as to how to play this market. This time it's telling me to sell the market. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sell. And what I'll do is I will bring this area up to a resistance area above the market. And our profit target on this one will come down just to a little cluster area around there and see what happens here. Okay. I personally expect the market to bounce up. But you can never be right more than 50% of the time because this is a random business that we're in. Now, if that closes above that resistance area, then we will add to the trade. Coming down for us, how far down will it come? It's bouncing around, bouncing around. Now, how good of a trader is random.org? That's what we need to be asking. Game of patience, bouncing again off that area of resistance that we marked up. But there's nothing clever. Anyone could see that area of resistance on the left hand side. And there's nothing to say that it won't just go and smash straight through it. There you go. Random.org has made another winning trade. Okay, so we are now up 3%. We're aiming for 5%. I'm not allowed a decision. I'm being told whether to buy or sell by random.org, and this time it's telling me to sell. So let's place a sell trade. I am going to leave the area of resistance where it is, and the take profit this time I'm going to be just aiming for this area, this cluster area down here. Personally, I will probably be buying this market, but it doesn't matter. I haven't made the decision. And there you go. We are now up 4%. Okay, so back to random.org. Do I buy? Do I sell? Do I go long? Do I go short? It's telling me that we are going to go short the market. So we're going to sell the market. The area of resistance I'm going to bring down now, just to about this area there. Excuse me, sorry. And my take profit, I'm just going to put it at about there. And let's see what happens to this one. So I've made no decisions whatsoever, and I have now made 5% on the account. Think that was difficult? Well, consider something. I didn't choose the currency pair. I did not choose the period to trade. I did not choose whether to go long or short. Random.org made all of the decisions. The first trade it actually got wrong because I had to enter another trade. The second trade it got right. The third trade it got right. The next trade it got right, and the next trade it got right, and the next trade it got right, but purely by random. Now, you could have been flipping a coin on those decisions, but the fact of the matter is that with no indicators and very careful money management and just watching areas of support and resistance and understanding that markets react to resistance and they react to support, we've just entered blind trades and made 5% on the account. And let's look at the period of time that it took to do that. Being no sleepless nights and no long hours of day trading, because these were 1 hour bars, would have taken you 86 days to make 5%. Okay, you may say that that's a long time, but this is just to show you. I'll show you this in the next video on a 15-minute chart, and I'll show you it doesn't matter which way the markets go, whether they go up or whether they go down. I'm going to show you how to make money every single time, even if you're using a toss of a coin to make your entries. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. It's how I started to trade back in 1997, and I'm just showing you that it's still as valid as it ever was. Okay, so I'll show you more tomorrow.